milk 2 3/4 cups, sugar 1 cup, vegetable oil ½ cup, corn flour 50 gram, cocoa powder 60 gram, vanilla powder 1 teaspoon. Sift it well. Whisk together until well combined. On medium to low heat, stir continuously, cook until it thickens, and remove from the heat. Break the 300-gram biscuits into small pieces, and then pour the chocolate mixture over the biscuits. Stir to coat. Note: do not overmix. Transfer to a greased and lined pan. Press down evenly until tightly packed and refrigerate until set for at least 6 hours or overnight. Remove the springform ring and lined paper. Enjoy!